Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share with. Thank you for looking to VeChain. Yeah. Before we start at VeChain, I would make a short intro about into Bitcoin. So we have here the situation. This is the positive channel at the Bitcoin price. Is the negative channel. Some of the moon boys predict here 62,000, 70,000, 75,000. Yeah. Um, I think they have too few experience because it is difficult, yeah, to understand. But they are young people; they have not so much experience with trading, yeah. And some key points they are maybe right, but here in this case, I think they are wrong. The reason is if you look here to this construct, you can see we are clearly leave the positive channel to the top side. We could make here a retest of this, yeah, so that we could go to 60,000. But the conditions are that we leave the negative channel to the top side. And here at the moment, it's not seems that we break the negative channel and go in the positive channel. Yeah, we have clear signs. We will go here to the top side, yeah, to make a retest. But in my eyes, I delete this for better understanding. In my eyes, I think we could go two ways. One way is what I not believe, but it could happen, yeah, that we go directly to 60,000, something like that. Yeah, that we say, okay, we will go directly from this point to 60,000. This is not in my scenario. Yeah, I think we will make a retest at 56,000 and then fall to the downside. Yeah, because this here is too much negative. Yeah, we could go here to 56,000. Yeah, and then the next move to the downside begins. Let's look to VeChain. What construct we have here? Let's look. Let's look. Yes, it seems it is positive. Yeah, for us it seems that we could go here to 18 cent. Yeah, some of the people think this. It has also a really good construct so that we can say, okay, the price could go here to the top side. But in my eyes, let's look more in detail. In my eyes, this is too much negative. Yeah, we have not the energy to go here to the top side. I would say um, normally I think we could go here to the top side and go here to the downside. Then it makes sense. But I see no reasons why the price could go from 10 cent to 11 cent. 1 cent is too big, I think, yeah. But maybe it's possible if Bitcoin make here um, a retest, yeah, to the top side, then I would say that we could also go here to the top side. But the general view to cryptos are relative negative because we already test some levels, yeah, especially if you look at the VeChain chart, you can see that we are out of this channel. I hope you understand this. This was our channel. We trade here up and down and so on. And you can see clearly we break this here to the downside so that the next move will go here to the downside. So the next target is a 7 cent, 0.007 cent. And after that, I think, um, let's look. We could retest this area again, 5 cent. Let's look. So, and here's a critical area. We have here a really good positive trend to the top side. So Here are two scenarios. One scenario is we stay here at 0.007 cent and make a retest of this positive trend line and go here to the top side, or we break really down to these down levels and coming back to these areas. Yeah, then you can see 0.003 cent, and after that the price could go here to the top side, like I would say like this. Yeah, so it is really not clear at the moment. Bitcoin fight with the 55,000 level, 55,900, but I think we have here more energy to the downside than energy to the top side. Okay, we are not so negative here at VeChain for people who want not hear negative infos. I think VeChain has the power to go more to the top side. Yeah. What that means more to the top side, I think after the dump, the pump is coming in that way. So if VeChain pumps, then I would say we will smash or pump really big to the top side. Yeah, that will happen so, and I think we will go to 35 cent, make this move, yeah, and finally go to $1 or 70 cent. Yeah, so this is my strategy here, and that will happen so also because the reason why I think it will happen, um, we have to look first to this construct, and this construct is how can I say, not a positive construct. This construct is a negative construct. Yeah, and I also know why this is negative, because um, the walls, they want that you um, know that the price could go here to the top side. So you bet and say, okay, price is going to the top side. But at this point, we need this negative construct to come down. Yeah. So I think so that we see something like that. But it's too early to say. If you want more, come on the Wolf Exclusive Club. But for you, it's important to understand that we have more energy to the downside than top side.